Hi friends, it's Mrs. Golding. Hey, I'm working on the math packet, page 4, and it's problem number 3. This is a tough one. The problem asks you to graph these various points on a coordinate plane and create a quadrilateral that has an area of 16 square units. So I felt like rather than doing this on paper, I wanted to show you a cool tool. This is Desmos.com and it's free. We've used it in class before. And it allows you to create points on a coordinate plane and to connect those points. So the way that I created this quadrilateral, which is obviously just a four-sided figure here, I made a table. So if you hit this plus sign up here, it says add item and looks like this. You can just scroll down to table, which is what I did. Now, when I was doing this, I messed around with all these points, 0 to 9, and you can only use them once. Now, I came up with these values. So these are the x values, these are the y values. So this point right here is over 1, and I know you don't see a 1, it just doesn't show up, and up 4. So that's right here, 1 comma 4. This point right here is come over 3 and go up 6. So that's 3 comma 6 right here. And so on. This is 8, 5, and this point right here is 7, 2. Now you'll notice that I did repeat 3, 6 because that's the only way I could get Desmos to connect my points. It needed to make a full rotation around, not a rotation, full whatever. Had to complete that. So Mrs. Golding's telling you that this quadrilateral is 16 square units. What? But I can prove it to you. So here's what I did. In 8th grade, you're going to learn something called the Pythagorean Theorem. You're also going to use something called the distance formula. And that distance formula is going to allow you to find the length of this right here. But from this point to this point, as with the Pythagorean Theorem. But you don't know that yet. But you do know this. Notice, I just plopped up another rectangle here. It encompasses the quadrilateral that we've already drawn, right? And it creates on the outside 1, 2, 3, 4 right triangles. What if we could find the area of this whole red rectangle here and subtract the area of these right triangles? I think that would give me the area of this quadrilateral left inside. So first thing I'm going to do is find the area of this triangle right here. So I want to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to let you try the rest. So this right here, this line segment goes from here to here. It goes from 4 to 6. So that is 1, 2 units. And from here, it goes from 1, so 1 unit to 2 here. So 2 units this way. So it's 2 by 2, and it's a triangle. Remember, the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 2 times 2 divided by 2. I show the math right here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. I want you to try to find the area of this right triangle, and this right triangle, and then check back with me on the next video.